Hey there, future traders and financial explorers. Welcome back to the channel where we demystify the markets and empower you with actionable insights. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating ticker that just popped onto our high probability scanner, BTCS Inc., trading under the symbol BTCS. But first, a critical word, important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Alright, let's talk BTCS. This company, BTCS Inc., operates in the financial services and capital markets sector, specifically in blockchain technology. It's a small cap player with a market capitalization of $54.08 million, placing it firmly in penny stock territory, trading currently under $5. BTCS caught our attention precisely because it triggered multiple advanced strategies. Our system flagged BTCS with a scanner entry signal price of $1.1033. Today, BTCS is up plus 2.80%, defying its recent trend of minus 2.65% over the last 5 days and minus 4.35% over the last 30 days, which is exactly the kind of reversal potential we look for. Currently, it's 14.2% above its 52-week low of $9,630, but still a significant 82.1% below its 52-week high of $6.15. Specifically, it hit on our Paloma on CC, or pre-breakout squeeze, which spots stocks with low ADX average directional index, a measure of trend strength indicating tight consolidation, where price sits above the EM at 20, the 20-period exponential moving average, with volume beginning to expand. It also triggered dip in top layer, meaning strength from the lows. This strategy looks for low ADX consolidation, price above EM at 20, RSI relative strength index, a momentum indicator above 50, and critically, volume above its 30-day average. BTCS's today's volume is 940,458 shares, a hefty 1.4 times its 30-day average of 667,205 shares, showing significant fresh interest. Furthermore, we saw a decent tacos, or falling wedge breakout, a classic bullish reversal pattern confirmed by MACD, or moving average convergence divergence turning positive, and a clear volume pickup. Finally, dip elmas, or diamond dip formation, flagged a pullback within a bearish 3-month trend, but with a positive 1-month recovery showing buy-side volume dominance, exactly what BTCS is showing. Technical analysis deep dive. The signal confirmation for BTCS is robust. The stock's price is trading clearly above its VWAP, the volume-weighted moving average, which signifies that buyers are in control, aligning with a bullish EMA stack. Our trend strength indicator, ADX, is above 18, indicating that a genuine trend is forming, not just market noise. The RSI is comfortably in the healthy momentum zone, between 45 and 68, currently showing building strength without being overbought. All these technicals converging simultaneously reduce the probability of false breakouts and validate the strong relative volume surge. Imagine a coiled spring tightening its range after a pullback. That's the Paloma on CC setup signaling an imminent move for BTCS. Then visualize the stock shaking off its recent weakness, finding its footing and gaining momentum from its lows. That's the dipped and top play and led play confirmed by BTCS's increased volume. Adjacent tacos paints the picture of a stock breaking free from a downtrend channel, hinting at a potential reversal. And finally, the dip bombers highlight a stock that has found a bottom and is now attracting buyers despite recent bearishness. For BTCS, our scanner generated a precise entry signal price of $1.1033. This entry point is technically significant, suggesting BTCS has overcome immediate resistance. To protect capital, our stop-loss level is set tightly at $1.978, meaning if BTCS drops below this, the setup is invalidated. Our take-profit targets are ambitious but realistic, TPRN at $1.1585, TP2 at $1.2136, and a potential TP3 at $1.2688. These targets reflect previous resistance areas or calculated extension levels. This specific setup offers an impressive risk-reward ratio of 1:10.4, meaning for every dollar risked, there's potential for $10 in return, a highly favorable asymmetric trade. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For BTCS, keep a close eye on sustained volume expansion, especially on upward price movements. If volume starts to diminish as price climbs, it could signal weakening momentum. We also want to see BTCS consistently hold above its EM at 1T and not break below our stop loss level of $1.978. A decisive breach would invalidate this setup. Watch for how it interacts with the initial take profit target. The strong break above T point could signal a swift move towards T peak low. BTCS Inc. has presented a compelling setup according to our rigorous scanning criteria. Remember, due diligence is paramount. If you found this detailed analysis helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more unique trade breakdowns, and let us know in the comments which tickers you want us to analyze next. Happy trading!